Alright, what's going on, guys? Hope you're all having a great day as always. So, we have a new mod to the car, once again. So if you've been following the channel, you know that I recently installed an ethanol gauge, ethanol sensor, just to monitor how much E-content is in the car at all times. We have a new tune. We are tuned for E30 right now. And let me jump right into those benefits right now. But from the research I've been gathering, E85 is a higher octane, so it's gonna help with knock and detonation. Definitely see the knock levels are to a minimum. They don't even reach above 1, and that's under wide open throttle. Like, the car really enjoys this E85 Kool-Aid. So with this higher octane, you could advance the timing a little bit, therefore you get a little bit more power. My tuner estimates 20 to 30 horsepower gain over their previous tune. When I was testing this out yesterday for the first time, it was a big improvement. If you guys are on the fence about if you want to go E30, you should definitely do it. It has a lot of benefits. The only downside is you gotta be watching your mix and making sure you are above 30. I'm at 32 just to be safe. You don't really want to be on the borderline of like 30 and 29. Just put 31 or 32 in there and you'll be fine. Driving normally, everything feels the same. Feels just like it did before. Everything runs really smoothly. Knock levels are at a minimum. Knock is great. Yeah, let's go ahead and do a couple pulls. It like rips second gear now completely. Let's hit it. Spin. Oh my gosh. God damn, dude. So with that hard ass pull, zero knock. Zero. The car just runs excellent on the E85. Just a small blend, but the benefits are awesome, you know what I mean? It definitely makes it worth it doing all the mixing and everything like that. And if you have an ethanol gauge and you know exactly how much content is in your car, and then you have a calculator on your phone, it's not really that hard to do the mixes. Yeah, the shove, the instant shove is there. You feel so much more torque down low faster, and it revs all the way to redline smoothly. It just feels amazing, guys. Like, I highly recommend doing this. Maybe we can take a trip to Mexico. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Just wanted to give you a little touch up on how I feel about the E85 tune. This thing is running awesome right now, awesome. It's too soon to tell about the fuel economy on it. Give it a little bit of time, we'll get into that. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for some more videos on the way, and catch you guys in the next video.